Have I attended the seminars by Charles Beard? I did probably the first one about 10 years ago, and after I bought his book, I started going every year. Well, for me, I've always been good at what I do as far as work-wise, but the business-wise, I was never as good as I thought I should be. So that's why I started looking into business classes, and once I took the seminars, it just helped me out tremendously. I guess you could say I'm a disciple. Do I follow him? Yes, I would follow him, and I always try to recommend everyone to go there. Anyone that's new in the business, I tell them, you got to learn the business side. Everyone learns how to do whatever work they do. They always learn that, for sure. But the business-wise, it's hard to perfect that if you've never been to any seminars or any classes, really. I wish I would have done it a lot earlier in my career. I hate to say it, 50% within the first 2 years of, my income went up, and just being able to handle the business side helped me out tremendously. It's hard to explain or put into words, but it's been worth it.